We're learning more about why a dad shot and killed his son allegedly yesterday afternoon.
The father has been identified as 58-year-old Glenn Harris and his son 30-year-old Eric Harris. This happened at a home on Burnt Hills Drive near Jones and Lone Mountain. 8 News Now reporter Sally Jaramillo is live outside the Regional Justice Center where Harris made his first court appearance today. Sally?
Denise and Kirsten, Glenn Harris is charged with open murder. After speaking to many neighbors, they tell me this wasn't the first time police had been to the home. Neighbors in shock after hearing gunfire in their neighborhood.
I did notice that there was a body in the garage at that time.
According to an arrest report for Glenn Harris obtained by 8 News Now, Harris shot his son Eric in the stomach, then put the gun under Eric's chin and fired a second time. The report also states Harris, quote, had enough of Eric and his threats to the family.
But I know that they had problems with their son. I don't know if drugs played a part, probably.
A neighbor who didn't want to be identified says Eric was violent towards his parents.
He got beat up and he hit her. I've seen Glenn with like bandages on his head and a black eye and, you know, things like that.
That neighbor also wishes Eric could have gotten some help.
As many times as they call the police over there, something should have been done.
In court Wednesday, we learned Glenn Harris had no criminal history, lived in Las Vegas for 25 years, and was a mechanic.
Yes, I was for the last 20 years.
So that was your occupation?
Yes.
He's an older man, and, you know, having a younger man attack you, so to speak, you know, you gotta, you know, pick and choose what you need to do, you know, survival instinct.
Glenn Harris is currently at the Clark County Detention Center. He is expected to be back in court on Friday. Reporting live, Sally Jaramillo, 8 News Now.